is it appropriate, is it practical for me as a college student to be spending anywhere from $60 to $80 a month to have my nails done? No. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindy if you're new here and you've never seen me before. Hello, I'm so glad you clicked on this video and I'm so excited to show you how I do my gel nails at home and save like literally $80 a month. Okay, so I never used to get my nails done. Then I went through a really big stage where I loved getting my nails done. I loved having gel on my nails and it would be 35, 40 bucks a manicure, at least in Oxford. That's how much it was running me after tip and everything. I was like, is it appropriate, is it practical for me as a college student to be spending anywhere from $60 to $80 a month to have my nails done? No, it is not. At least for me and my budget, I was like, this is like an expense that I have got to get cut out. So I started searching around. I found some gel kits on Amazon. I figured out that the process was not that difficult. The kit that I got was $29.99, so $30, the price of one manicure. And it has lasted me. I've been doing this since July now. So I haven't gotten a manicure since literally July. My nails have been fresh to death. I just did these last night, and usually these manicures last me about a week and a half to 2 weeks. And I am saying manicure, however, it really is just like a gel color change because I don't do the whole manicure process. But that's really not that big of a deal to me. All I wanted was my nails to look clean, especially being on YouTube and Instagram and trying to kind of grow a following. I couldn't be holding or showing or, you know what I mean? I can't just show off some nasty crumply nails, which I used to do all the time. My mom used to get on me all the time. However, not anymore. No more chipped nails for me. This is the way to freaking go, baby. I'm gonna show you how I use it in this video, but first let's go over everything that's in the kit that I got. Okay, so here's my kit. It is the Model 1's Ideal Gel Polish Starter Kit, and it's been through a lot. She has a lot of stuff on her. She's got water damage, the box at least. I've taken this to and from school and home and all over the place. I've done my friend's nails. I've taken her around my sorority house. She's been through a lot, but she's been here for me, holding up. All right, oh, this is what I have popping when you first open it up. The kit comes with 5 polishes, top coat, base coat, cuticle oil, a nail filer, a nail brush, 2 nail brushes actually, a cuticle pusher, a cuticle cutter thing, the UV light, and then acetone removal pads, and it honestly might come with more. Oh, nail clippers. I have added though some stuff of my own. A lot of people ask me like, okay, if I get the kit, can I use other gel polishes or can I go to Sally's and get a polish? Yes, the polish I have on by now is from Sally's. The kit that I got came with 5 like neon colors. There you can see, oh, this one, can you see? Yeah, it's yellow. They also come with these little stickers that you paint the color on when you first get them, so you have little swatches of each color. I love these colors in the summer and spring, and honestly half the time in the winter I've worn this a lot. I've worn this blue and this green a lot lately, but I like to switch it up, so I do run to Sally's sometimes and pick up a couple polishes. Like I picked up this black one, or I'll order some on Amazon, and it's been no problem quality wise. They've all been fine quality, and these that come in this kit honestly have been my best quality. These are like 1 or 2 coats max. This brand makes other kits with different colors, so if you don't want like the 5 rainbow neon-y colors, you can get neutrals. They have like some pinks and browns, and then they also have one with like black and grays in it. I'll link all the different colors ways down below that this brand has. There's also some other brands that I know have some good reviews on Amazon, so I'll link those as well. This is just the one that I have, so I can speak on it. The only thing that you need to add in once you get this kit is, I think it's a micro USB cord. The light requires a USB cord to turn on, but it's not the same kind of cord that your phone charger uses. Let me show you. I have my cord plugged into a cube. This is my speaker charger, my little like Bluetooth speaker charger. That's like the one thing that you're gonna have to like find, locate. But otherwise, it comes with everything that you need to do your nails like you're at a freaking salon in this joint. I'm gonna show you how I put the gel on as well as how I take it off. That's a question I get a ton. First things first, let's go ahead and shape all of the nails. I like to do an oval shape. These 2 are looking pretty good. This thumb is pretty good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shape all my nails. Some of my nails are really messed up. Some of them are perfect, some of them are a mess. And some of them are shorter and some of them are longer, but I don't care because I'm so happy with the length of the long ones that I am not gonna sacrifice them just to make them all match. Oh gosh. I had such a jagged edge over here that I tried to fix, and now my nail looks crazy. Oh no, this is gonna be a big one. I'm sweating now. There are my nails. Yikes. Okay, I'm gonna take like a finer grit nail file. This is the one that came with the kit, and just go over them again to make sure all the edges are smooth. Again, I don't know if this is like actually the correct thing to do, but it always works for me. So if you are an actual nail technician, please don't tell me everything that I'm doing wrong, because I know. Next step is to buff the nail bed. This is disgusting to me as well, but it works. You can also use a dehydrator to make sure your nail bed is super dry and nothing else sticks to it, but I'm just gonna buff it out with this block that I got at Sally's. Ew, ew, ew. This is so important though, because like when I don't, like I've accidentally forgotten to buff my nails and the nails have not stayed on long at all, so. Ew! Okay, now I'm gonna brush all this dust off my nails and we're gonna start. Now would be a good time to push back your cuticles if you want to, but I don't really ever feel like I have that problem, so I'm not going to. Okay, so we have to move this over to a different area because I can't get the cord that the USB cord that I have for the UV light to reach over here. Alrighty, so here's the base coat that comes with the kit. Now I'm just painting on the base coat as you would paint on normal base coat, making sure that I don't get any on the skin, because I feel like if you get any of this on the skin, it just makes it so much more likely to peel. So I'm just being really sure and careful to get it just on the nail. Okay, so there's my whole left hand painted with the base coat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cure this, and I don't know how freaking long to do these things for, but there's a button on the back, and if you hold it down, it starts, and I just go for as long as it goes for. And also I have to do my 4 fingers and then my thumb because I don't have enough room to get my thumb under there at the same time. Alright, now I'm gonna do my thumb. In the kit, I got these 5 colors that are like brighter neon colors. However, I'm not doing them because it's winter and I want to use this black color that I got at Sally's Beauty Supply, but it works just the same. Okay, so I went ahead and did my right hand so that way I can focus on my left hand. After you've done the base coat, you're going to do the actual color. This is the same for any gel polish that you use. You're going to go ahead and just do a regular coat, but keeping them on the pretty thin side because you want to make sure that they all get cured properly. Also, again, being super careful about the cuticle and the sides of the nails, just trying to make sure you don't get gel on there so it doesn't get prone to lifting. And then also you're gonna do this thing where you run the brush along the end of the nail, and it's like called capping the nail, and that just kind of seals, you couldn't really see that, but that just kind of seals it in and makes it not prone to lift on the top. I kind of like put the polish like 3/4 of the way down and then push towards the cuticle and then swipe up. Okay. Alright, so I just got done curing my left hand, and now we're going to do a second coat. Again, pretty thin, and it should become, like, for me when I do the black and most of the colors that come in the kit, aside from the light yellow, it's completely opaque on 2 coats, and I love that. I'll insert some pictures from my nails with the colors in the kit because I think I've done just about all of them, or video clips or whatever I have. Now we're gonna do our top coat, and you're gonna want to do a pretty thin coat of this, and sometimes I'll cure this twice just to make sure it's completely cured, and also just making sure to not get this on my skin. And sometimes I do feel a little bit of warmth when I cure this stuff. This step is always my favorite because it makes it so shiny, and it's so crazy that you can just do this and then lock your nail color in, and after you cure the top coat, it's just hard. So I'm gonna also try and keep my nails pretty level throughout while I'm curing the top coat, because sometimes I can like see the top coat, it's like pretty thin and it can kind of pull up in areas and make my nails uneven, so I'm keeping them very level. Thumb included, that's why I have my hand in such a weird position. Because my thumb is always the one that I have like laying down on the side, and then all the top coat collects on one edge. Also, when I first got this kit, a bunch of people were telling me that the acetone remover pads are actually to remove the sticky layer after you cure the top coat, and I never really felt like I had too much of a sticky layer, so I didn't really do it. However, now I do use, let's cure that twice. I'm gonna second time cure my other hand too while I'm talking. So now I will take the acetone and cotton balls and just kind of run it back over my nail after I get done curing the top coat, just in case there is a sticky layer. All right, curing my thumbs. Okay, so now I have a little acetone soaked cotton ball that I'm just swiping over. This kit comes with a cuticle oil, and I'm just gonna run this along my cuticles. Oh gosh, I got a lot out. But once you do this, it just looks so like pretty and final. And make sure that it's all rubbed in on my fingers. Okay, so I left nail polish on this finger and my thumb, but I'm just gonna show you guys how to get the gel off, because that's a question I get a lot. Like, okay, I have the gel on, now how do I get it off? So the kit comes with these acetone remover pads, which I have, but I also am like almost out of them. I got regular 100% acetone and cotton balls from like Walgreens or something, and I've just been using these mainly, and I'll show you guys what I do. Okay, so this is a random nail file that I got at Sally's, but the kit also comes with a nail file. I'm gonna just buff the shiny top coat layer off of this nail. This disgusts me, so I try to like mentally zone out, but you're trying to get through that shiny layer so that the acetone can penetrate. And I'm not gonna lie, sometimes my nails start peeling in like a week or a week and a half after, and sometimes if it easily peels off, I will let it easily peel off. But some of them are like really quite stuck, like this one is, and I'm not gonna try and peel it off because that would freaking hurt. Cotton balls, acetone. So now I just soak that on that nail, and you could wrap it up, but it's just one nail, so I'm just gonna sit here and hold it. Okay, so after looking at my phone for a few minutes, I'm gonna check, and I can see, let me see if I can show you. Okay, so hopefully you can see like the edges kind of start peeling. I don't think that you can. Well, they're lifting a little bit at the edges. So now I'm gonna take this little cuticle pusher tool, and I'm gonna try and get under where it's peeling and start lifting. Okay, so nothing much really happened. That tells me that I need to do more. Like, you shouldn't have to pull it off. So I'm gonna buff that top layer off even more, grab a little bit more acetone, and start chilling again. I'll be back to you guys in a sec. Okay, so it's been a few more minutes. Let's go ahead and see if this is ready to lift off. Oh yeah. Probably shouldn't peel it, but if it doesn't hurt and it's not hard to come off, I don't feel like there's anything wrong with that. However, I'm not a nail technician, so I literally have just been guessing out here for a few months now. Almost all gone. But yeah, I won't even lie. If my nails start like lifting in the shower when I know I'm about to do them, I'll give them a peel in there. I'm gonna give this last little chunk a buff and then a soak in the acetone, and then we'll be ready to go. So just a last little bit, and I think I can just buff this part off at this point rather than peel it off. So yeah, I mean, that's literally gonna be close enough. Oh well, that's how we're doing it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have anything else you want to see from me, let me know down below. Or any questions, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'm literally addicted, obsessed with checking my YouTube. So I will be down there whenever you need me. Again, links for everything that I use will be down below.